there, fine people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this mini haul from Nail Mart USA. One of the things I got it's called an Only Clean cuticle bit. So you can use it in your e-file, and it will remove the cuticle from your nail plate without doing any removal or roughing up of your nail bed. So hopefully it's in here. I've got the mystery box. And the other thing I'm getting is a mystery box, but I don't see my cuticle bit. Maybe it's coming separately. But, so I was ordering the cuticle bit, and I thought I should order something else as well. And they had this Gel Overlay Mystery Box on sale as part of the holiday sales. I mean, it's a week after Black Friday, but there's still some deals to be had. Maybe it's 2 weeks after. I lose track of time. It's December 8th today. Okay, so all this pink confetti packing material. Oh, here, this must be my cuticle bit. Let's just dump this out. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get this stuff everywhere. Kind of a mess. All right, so I typically just do gel overlays on my nails, and then I paint them with regular polish. Today I've got Soya Esme on over some milky white builder gel from Accents Luxio, and I just keep testing different things. Actually, I have different things on my left and right. I'll be posting that video in the next day or two when I have a chance to edit it. So, what is this? Is this a sticker? No, it's a QR code at Nail Mart USA. It's got their socials. And I've got to clean up all this confetti. I'll be right back. Okay, confetti cleaned. First up, I have this Only Clean cuticle bit. I read about this on the Reddit DIY gel group. One of the mods there is super knowledgeable about all things nails, and she always has great recommendations. So she recommended this bit for difficult to remove cuticles, especially if you want to keep doing a dry manicure, but you don't necessarily have great skill or control with your e-file, which that would definitely be me. So, Only Clean cuticle bit. And what do I got here? A 5mm nail art brush. Ooh, that's tiny. Look at that. definitely come in handy for doing the reverse stamping that I do, filling in the images. Let's see, what else do we have here? Popping the bubbles. Okay. I've never heard of this brand, so maybe it's V-Nails. I'm not sure. Don't know if that's the color. So what do we have? Baby Base 08. Base UV Gel Polish. It's got the ingredients. A nice bottle topper, little rose there. And this is like a milky white with maybe some glitter in there. Let me shake that up and have a look. Get a better look at it. Or maybe it's just a milky white and I needed to shake it. I'll do some swatches tomorrow. So V-Nails base gel. I can tell this is Luna Moon. I've heard of this brand on the Cody USA or US website, but there's not a lot of hype around it on the Instagram. Strong Base. Bases and light gel system. And then it's got the ingredients, and I think the instructions are, they're in a foreign language. Maybe a couple different foreign languages. And then this is, must be made in South Korea. So I've got strong base. I wonder if it's got a color. No, that's clear. And this is, appears to be a little thinner than the V-Nails base. Moving on. This is another V-Nails. V-Nails base. Candy base number 7. Oh, that looks like a peachy nude. I really think I got a great, from what I see, a great deal. This set was $59 for the mystery box. And I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gel polishes. So a little less than $10 each. Really good bargain if you like everything you got. So strong base. Wonder what the difference is between base, strong base. This says it's a cover 17, so I imagine it's a little less translucent. Kind of a mauve, rosy nude. it's really thick. I've never heard of this V-Nails before. I'll have to check them out and see what the system is all about. I've got a velvet matte top coat. That looks a little yellowish. Hopefully it dries or cures clear. Another base, Baby Base 04. Maybe a pink. Yeah. I'll know more when I swatch it, but these little pictures here indicate that maybe there's a glitter or some sort in there. We'll find out. Milk. Color base. Magic Mint. Ingredients. I'll have to get Google Translate going and see where this is made. That looks a little bit like some Cyrillic writing to me. A mint colored base. Okay, so that is the haul. 7 polishes, or 7 bases. Well, let's see. Let me rephrase that. Okay, we've got 6 different bases and a matte top coat, the brush, and then I purchased this bit separately. But I'll be back in a little bit to do some swatches. Thanks for watching.